Alright, so we are going to do this first one together. So we are completing a table of value and then graphing it as well. So for this activity you need to do three things. The first one is create a table of values, B, graph the coordinate pairs, and then C, state whether the plot is linear or non-linear. So we are going to do this example. So the first one, to complete our table of values, you will need to have drawn a table that looks exactly like this. These 5 values up the top do not matter. They can change, they can be the same, whatever you want. So for this question, the equation that we are using is y equals 3x. So every time we want to work out one of these answers, this is the equation we're going to use. So the first step is to write your equation out. So y equals 3x. Next thing we are going to do is substitute what x is to be this value. So you're going to keep your 3 and then you're going to times -2 because that's the value we need x to be for this example. So 3 times -2 is -6. You're then going to write that up there. And you're going to keep going. Every time I want you to write the formula up the top before you start working out. So y equals 3 times, we're going to use -1 this time, which is -3. And your answer is going to go up there. Next one is 0, so start by writing our formula out. Y equals 3 times 0. Everything times 0 is 0, so that's easy. Next one, we are going to use 1. So it is going to be y equals 3 times 1, which is a positive 3. Oops, forgot that. And our last one, we are using 2. So y equals 3 times 2, which is 6. So now your table of values is complete. The next thing you are going to do is plot that on your Cartesian plane. So each of these is a plotting point. They all show you the 5 things that we are going to plot. Don't forget, when you plot, you always plot x first. So we'll go down to our Cartesian plane up here, down here, sorry. The first one we are plotting is -2, -6. So -2, -6. Our first point. Don't worry about labeling it for this. There is a different type of label. The next one we are going to do is -1, -3. So back down here, -1,